Second question, first part is 4p square minus 9q square. Now whenever you have only two terms and both are perfect squares, like here 4p square, you can write it as 2p the whole square. 9q square can be written as 3q the whole square. So that means this is of the form a square minus b square, and the factors will be a minus b into a plus b. So these are the factors. The next one is 63a square minus 112b square. Now this is not a perfect square right now, but they have some common factors. So first thing to do is whenever you get an algebraic expression, you have to see if there are any common factors between them. That was the first step. So here 63a square and 112b square, they are having a common factor 7. So first step has to be to take the 7 outside the bracket like this. So this will give you 7 into 9a square minus 16b square. Now 9a square can be written as 3a the whole square and 16b square will be written as 4b the whole square. And then you will factorize it using identity a plus b into a minus b. So 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. This will be the factorization. This is a. So 7a the whole square minus 6 square. So 7a plus 6 into 7a minus 6. Now in this term again 16x raised to the power of 5 minus 144x cube, you can take common factors. So that is when you factorize, you can take 16x cube common and within bracket you will get x square minus 9. So which can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 3. So this will be the factorization. So the fifth one is L plus m the whole square minus L minus m the whole square. So you can use this identity a plus b into a minus b directly over here also, because this entire L plus m you can take it as a and L minus m you can take it as b and simplify. So this is a and this is b. So a minus b into a plus b, L plus m minus of L minus m and L plus m plus L minus m. Now when you open this bracket minus of, then this minus L and minus L plus L will get cancelled and m plus m will get added. So 2m. Same way here, minus m and minus m will get cancelled and L will get added to 2L. So this will be the answer. So this is one way of doing it. Another way can be you can expand L plus m the whole square. So if you're doing by that way, then it will be L square plus m square plus 2lm minus, this is in the bracket, L square plus m square minus 2lm. Like this you will write, that is the first expression, L plus m the whole square I have expanded minus L minus m the whole square I have expanded. Now when you open the bracket, it will be L square plus m square plus 2lm minus L square minus m square plus 2lm. This minus and minus will become plus. So this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, and this 2lm plus 2lm will become 4lm. So you will get the same answer what you got here. In the next one, 9x square y square minus 16. Here 9x square y square, this can be written as 3xy the whole square minus 16 can be written as 4 square. Then again it is coming in identity form, a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b.
The seventh one is x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. Now this one, this entire bracket is of the form of this identity x minus y the whole square. So this can be written as x minus y the whole square minus z square. Now further, this is of the form a square minus b square, that form, where a is x minus y and b is z. So taking this as a and this as b, we can factorize it in this way. A minus b, that is x minus y minus z, into a plus b, that is x minus y plus z. These will be the factors. X minus y minus z into x minus y plus z. The eighth one is 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Now in this one, we can group these three terms together, and this will come in the identity form. So we will take the minus sign outside the bracket. So inside we will get 4b square minus 28bc, because from here we have taken minus outside. So this plus becomes minus 28bc plus 49c square. Again this minus becomes plus. Now this bracket, if you observe, this is in the form of the identity. We can write 4b square as 2b the whole square. 49c square can be written as 7c the whole square, and minus 28bc can be written as minus 2 into 2b into 7c. So this is coming in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that form. So this will be factorized as a minus b the whole square, that is 2b minus 7c the whole square. So this entire bracket has been factorized like this. 25a square, our first term, this has been written as 5a the whole square. So further, we can factorize this using the identity a square minus b square, where a will be 5a and b will be 2b minus 7c. So when we do that, we will get it in the form a plus b into a minus b. So this can be written like this: 5a plus 2b minus 7c. This will be one factor, and the second factor will be 5a minus of 2b minus 7c. So this factor minus is common for both these terms. So this will become 5a minus 2b, minus and minus together will become plus. So these will be the two factors, 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus 2b plus 7c.